Crispy waffle fries, cheesy bacon dip. This is snack heaven. Let's make my loaded baked potato dip. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about the baked potato, but probably not what you're thinking. We're going to be making my loaded baked potato dip. What is that? This is a recipe that I found in an old cookbook and I've played around with it. It's a creamy dip that has all of your favorite baked potato toppings all in one place. We're going to start out with frying some bacon. I'm going to put my pan on, medium-high heat. And we're going to start with some bacon. I have here 8 strips of bacon that I've cut up in little pieces called lardons. We're just going to put that right into the pan. And we're going to get these frying. We're going to fry them until they're all nice and crisp, and then we'll just drain them. My bacon is all ready. I'm just going to take it out of the pan and we're going to drain it on some paper towels. Now it's time to assemble our dip. I have a pretty big bowl here. To this, I'm going to add some sour cream. I have 16 ounces, 454 grams of my favorite sour cream right in our bowl. To that, we're going to add some sharp cheddar cheese. I have 8 ounces or 226 grams of a sharp cheddar that I shredded in my food processor using the shredding blade, but you can use the pre-shredded that you buy in little bags. Right in. Now I want to add a little layer of flavor. And we're going to get that with hot sauce. This is my favorite. You need about 2 teaspoons, but you can go as hot or as mild as you like. So we'll say 2 generous teaspoons. Now it's time to add the bacon. Here it is, all nice and cooled down. I'm going to add most of this. I want to save a little bit to sprinkle on top at the end. Right in. And our final ingredient is chives. I have about 3 tablespoons of chives, which is about 1 bunch that you would get at the store. And again, like the bacon, I'm going to use most of it. I'm going to save some to sprinkle on top. That's pretty good. Now all I have to do is stir this to combine. This is nice and combined now. I'm going to cover this and refrigerate it until I'm ready to serve. My dip is chilling and all those flavors are coming together. Now how would we serve this? Most people are going to use celery sticks or carrots, maybe some chips or crackers. No, not good enough. This is a loaded baked potato dip. So we're going to use potatoes. We're going to use waffle fries. You could use steak fries, you could bake some potatoes yourself, but this is what I'm using today. I'm just going to cook these per the package directions into the oven. It's time to taste our dip. My waffle fries are nice and warm. This has been sitting in the fridge for about 20 minutes, just making all those flavors meld together. Remember that bacon and the chives I saved? Look what we're going to do. We're going to sprinkle this right over the top. Just like that. And then some chives. How pretty. Now let's give this a taste. Nice and warm. All right. This is stupid good. You get tang from the sour cream and that hot sauce that was vinegar based. You get creaminess from the cheese and that bacon, but then it's warm from these warm waffle fries, and it tastes just like a baked potato with all the favorite toppings. I need to wash this down. Have a little gin and tonic today. That's good too. All right, if you enjoyed this recipe, sign up for our newsletter and get new recipes delivered right into your inbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the like button. It really helps us grow. If you'd like to go even further, consider joining as a channel member. You'll get special perks, behind-the-scenes extras, and you'll be part of the community, helping to shape what we create together. Now, I'm going to sneak off to a dark corner in this house and devour this dip. While I do that, I want you to sit back and relax and watch this episode over here. Until next time, everyone, cheers!